This is a 2008 Audi A4. It features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Features include a power moonroof, a power driver's seat, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, a security system, a traction control system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 43,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle helps leave money in your pocket where you want it. Not to mention that this Audi qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Momentum Chevrolet of Broken Arrow is located at 2301 North Aspen Avenue in Broken Arrow. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.